Understanding Acoustic Testing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of acoustic testing. This is a term you might come across in various fields like engineering, construction, and even in music. So, if you're ready, let's explore what acoustic testing really means and why it's so important. Acoustic testing involves examining and analyzing the sound characteristics of a room, building, or any object. It helps in understanding how sound behaves in different environments. This testing is crucial in designing spaces like concert halls, recording studios, and even in creating better electronic devices like headphones and speakers. The main goal of acoustic testing is to ensure that the sound quality in a given space meets specific requirements. For example, in a theater, acoustic testing helps to ensure that everyone in the audience can hear clearly without echoes or background noise. In the construction of buildings, it's used to check if the structure can effectively block out unwanted noise, like traffic sounds. Acoustic testing is done using specialized equipment like microphones, sound level meters, and frequency analyzers. Professionals carry out tests to measure different sound aspects like volume, loudness, pitch, frequency, and echo, reverberation. The results help in making adjustments to improve sound quality. Let's explore some real-world scenarios where acoustic testing plays a vital role. In the automotive industry, it's used to reduce the noise of car engines. In urban planning, it helps in designing quieter and more comfortable living spaces. Even in home appliances, acoustic testing ensures that products like air conditioners and refrigerators operate quietly. We encounter the results of acoustic testing in our daily lives without even realizing it. From the clarity of the announcement in a train station to the sound quality of your favorite movie in a cinema, acoustic testing ensures that our auditory experiences are pleasant and effective. I hope this video has shed light on the interesting world of acoustic testing and its significance in various aspects of our lives. Whether you're an English learner, a budding engineer, or just curious, understanding acoustic testing can add a new dimension to how you perceive sound. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you.